Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VPC flow logs for traffic analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable VPC flow logs for traffic analysis, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard from the Services menu. Select the VPC for which you want to enable flow logs. In the Details pane at the bottom, locate the Flow Logs tab. Click on the Create Flow Log button. In the Filter dropdown, choose the type of traffic you want to log, such as all, accept, or reject. Next, select your desired IAM role to allow VPC to publish the logs to CloudWatch or S3. If you don't have an IAM role set up, you can create a new one from the IAM console. Choose the destination for your flow logs, either CloudWatch logs or an S3 bucket. If you selected CloudWatch logs, specify the log group name. For S3, enter the bucket name where you want the logs to be stored. Fill in the optional fields as needed, including the log format. Click on the Create button to finalize the configuration. Your VPC flow logs are now enabled and will start capturing traffic data based on your specified settings. You can view the log data in the configured destination once logging begins. Ensure you monitor the generated logs to analyze traffic patterns and security events effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.